Hi guys, hello family, my good people of power. Thank you so much for always tuning in to watch my videos. And for those who are new here, my name is Flo Otieno and I'm from Kenya and I live and reside in Switzerland. So today I just want to show you just a short preview of my house, just a house tour, but not actually a house tour because I need to do so much in this house. I've stayed in this house for almost 15 years. Can you imagine, guys? And everything, all the furniture, almost absolutely 100% of everything in this house is ancient and very old. And this house of late has not been warm for me. I think I've been a bit depressive whenever I come to this house. I never long and wish to stay in this house because of the situation and the way the house looks. Actually, it's horrible to me. Some people might think I'm bluffing or ranting, but I don't like the way the house looks. So I need to do a makeover of this house, and I'll really need your support and come as in comments, ideas. And for those people who do makeovers, don't forget to comment down below this video. Give me ideas on how I should change the colors, how I should play around with the deco, how I should what kind of things I should buy, like for example seats. Actually my theme is beige, gray, white. Guys, give me ideas because now I need to really seriously work on this house. So as for the as per the title of the video, it's a small house tour, and I need to go and first of all I need to start with the painting, and I need to go and shop for the paint, and I'll take you along to the shop I go to, and let's go. So guys, this is my bedroom. See how clumsy it looks. So I'll just show you the before. Very clumsy, very clumsy, and doesn't look organized. This is my wardrobe. Can you imagine this wardrobe? I bought it 10 years ago. The doors broke down, and this is what I'm left with. Very disorganized. Very disorganized. Look at the curtain rods. And by the way, I've stayed in this house for almost 15 years now. 15. So this is how the wardrobe looks. I need to change everything, even my bed. For 15 years, the same bed, guys. What? Ah, la, no way. And then this is my sitting room. This is the door, the entrance. When you come in, that's the entrance. This table, I bought it for my kitchen. And since I have an open plan kitchen and it's very small, it could not fit. So I just placed it here, but it's not a console table. Don't judge me. And then the sitting room. Everything here is old. Apart from the television that I bought, I think this year, a few months ago, should be before summer, I'm not sure, but the TV is still new. The seats, I bought them secondhand. Initially, I had red seats. You can see as my wall is red, I painted it red. Actually, the original color of this house is white, but since I had red seats before, I painted the wall red. So I need to rechange it back to white. I need to start by doing a thorough good painting of the sitting room wall. That's the kitchen. Very disorganized too. I need to organize everything and really do a recap on this house. Have to do everything. Guys, please suggest for me some ideas or deco that I should put on this house, because my theme, I think I should buy gray or brown seats. I'm not sure. Please guys, comment down below and let me know. For those people who do home decos, I'm not a home deco. I just want to do a DIY, do it yourself. I'll show you the videos how I'm doing the painting, because here to hire somebody to do the painting is very expensive. So I need to change the walls back to white. The other places are white, but this part white, and the television I think will come on this side. Normally, originally the television was on this side. You can see I had mounted it on the wall, but I don't want to mount it on the wall. So guys, I'm waiting for the bus, and the weather is not good. It's raining. Oh my god, let me just show you how the area looks like. See, we're in autumn, but the temperatures are very low. So this is how my area looks like. So where I'm standing is the bus stop. I'm waiting for the bus. Because it's cold, I cannot walk. Otherwise, it's only 2 stops to where I am. About 10 minutes walk. But I'll take the bus because it's very cold. So guys, let's wait for the bus. So guys, the bus is here. Bus number 22. Guys, as you can see, that is the shop I'm going to. It's called Jumbo. So I'm just going to cross the road because I'm on the other side. And let's go in.
Anadai washa kimoja wenda wazimu kwa scene, sipiga mboka na utadhani ni machine. Fika mpasho sito na radi flani ngorina ni vako. Baby girl mi wazimu twende kwako, tukacheze za wahenga na urako, za wahenga na urako. Atola tango tatat kamika me back when I love it, now it's a fact. I told her don't get that. Don't get my phone, don't be calling me back. I'm gonna love and we know it's a fact. Don't get attached. I told her don't get attached. Don't call my phone, don't be calling me back. Apa kuna love and we know it's a fact. Just for the night, baby, don't get attached. I told her don't get attached. Don't call my phone, don't be calling me back. Apa kuna love and we know it's a fact. Just for the night, baby, don't get attached.
The Jumbo, there is a second-hand shop. It's Brookie, where they sell the second-hand items. I decided to pass by and see what they have. Sometimes you get good items here. So this is the second-hand shop. They sell chairs. This is non-stick. I also need to buy a TV stand, a white one, because my theme is white and gray and maybe beige. I'm not sure. Please comment down below for the home decors, makeovers. Please, I need your ideas. Don't forget to comment.